Welcome back to the channel. Right now I'm creeping back like the prodigal son because I didn't tell nobody I was leaving, and I just up and left and just went to do me, as though we are not trying to build something here, as though we are not in a relationship, and I'm not supposed to just black out on everybody like that. But that was sort of a much needed break, sort of, because when I first came on this space, it was quite overwhelming. It was overwhelming trying to balance everything. Adulting basically, I was overwhelmed. So I had to draw back a little bit to just look at things from another angle. I would love to give like a background story or a rundown of what I've been up to, but in the same vein, I brought us the goodness of head wraps today. I think I'm going to give my story right after we are done with what we came here for today. That is head wraps. I am going to be showing us three simple ways to rock your head wraps. After which I am going to talk about what I observed, why I took all that time away, and kind of what really happened. How have you all been? Let me know in the comment section. I have missed doing this. I really have missed doing this. Welcome back. Down to what we have today, what I have for y'all today. If you know me personally, you will know that head wraps are a big part of me and my styling, my fashion sense, and all of that. Back in school, head wraps were something that I wore a lot. Whilst head wraps are beautiful, some of us, or do I say most of us, do not know how to tie it in, that stylish way that you might want to. But why else you got me? I am here to teach us just three. I am going to talk about head wraps some more in my subsequent videos, but for now we are testing the waters. Let's just do three very easy styles like the one I have on. Yeah, so let's get started. What I'm going to be making use of is my Ankara print fabric. It is not a regular shape. It is shaped, it is scrapped from a top I made. I am showing us the shape of this fabric to say that you don't necessarily need something that is well shaped or in a circular shape or rectangular or whatever to be able to get whatever style you're going for. As long as you have a head wrap that can go round your head, you're good to go. So we're going to start off with the bow tie. I am just going to demonstrate, so just go ahead and watch and look and learn, basically. Also, I would like to mention that you might want to have your hair covered because sometimes during the course of your activities or day-to-day stuff, the head wraps move around, and if you have a very sensitive hair, it might cause some frizz. So what you want to do is have on a condom cap. I think that's what this is called. Just wrap your hair in there and do whatever. Let's go. I am going to find the center of my head wrap. This is the center here. So right there is where I'm going to start from. I am trying to look to my mirror to be sure the scarf is going where I want it to. So what you want to do is hold it out like this, divide the arms into two, hold it out like this, and just do a regular bow like you would with your belt. And we are almost there. So what you want to do now is spread it out. Spread it out like this. And tuck in the excesses. That is if you have excesses. I I have excesses because I'm using a very big scarf. So so after tucking it in, so you just arrange the the shape to be sure that they are almost identical or identical even, so that because if it's looking crooked or stuff, it won't eat. Just trying to get the shape right. You are going to do lots and lots of adjusting with curves in the ball style shape. So yeah, at the end of the day, this is what I have. I think it's okay. I can definitely work with this. So this is it for look one. This is the back. For the second style, we are going to be using something. Here I have jute material that I folded into two. You can use a piece of cardboard paper or anything that has some form of stability and cut it in a rectangular shape all the way to your ears. You can use your ears to measure it. Fold your cardboard into your head wrap like so the first time, and you flip it the second time. You are going to tie this one very close to your eyebrows. Do you see the shape is giving? That is why we have that stuff inside. So I'm going to make a knot behind. After you've done this, then you can play around with the the pieces you have, the excesses that you have. Now I've seen some people move it all around the cardboard. They'll do something like this, move it around the cardboard like this. I've seen this style like a lot. I am trying to work with the front of the fabric so that it doesn't give different colors on it. There are a lot of things that that you have to consider when working with scarf. So you do something like this. I've seen a lot of people do this. Then you also do the same thing for the other part. I don't know if you can see me. Just bunch it up and wrap it around the rectangular shape we did. And you have something like this. Very easy, very chic. What I like to do, I don't like to play with the shape that we already have going on here. So what I usually do is to form like a bun behind my head. Let me show you that. For the final style today, we are going to be doing what I consider the odogu of all head wrap styles, really. Odogu means the go-to, the king. It is everything at once. Whatever you put it on with, it is just going to slap, honestly. So you can let me know your favorite in the comment section. For the final piece today, we are going to be using even more scarves, not necessarily scarves or anything at all that you can just get, your t-shirt, your shorts, whatever. We are going to just bunch it up. We are going to be putting it under our head wrap to create like an illusion of hair for we the low cut gang. But if you have your hair made already, you need to have something very big and busy going on. So depending on how big you want it, that is how much stuff you are going to have inside. Personally, the bigger the better, really. So you are going to bunch it up and put it um, inside your scarf, like put it on your head like this. Oh, can you all see me? Okay. All right. Put it on your head like this and get to work because it's about to get beautiful up in here. From back to the front, we go like this. For this particular style, you are not making any knot. What you're going to do is just wrap it around, twist it like this. You want to have this that V shape, yeah, something like this. You need this V shape. It has to be there. It is not negotiable. So there is no tying whatsoever with the style. You are just going to do lots of wrapping around. See? It's giving already. Honestly, the bigger the better. So you are just going to wrap and wrap. Again, you want to do this with the front of the scarf. You're just going to wrap and wrap and wrap even more. Whoop. You take the second side. What I usually do is to just wrap it on top so that nobody knows what went where. You do not see my wrapping pattern. Yes, so I put it on top. And tuck the excesses somewhere. That's it. Period. This is literally all you need to do. Very chic. So, yes, guys, that is it for what I have planned for us today. I just decided to come in here with a very short video to ease my way back into this space. It has been far too long, and I am terribly sorry for just disappearing on y'all like that. I think I left here towards ending of last year because I have a job, then I sew, I have clients that I make clothes for. So everything was just coming all at once towards the ending of last year. I had so many clients I needed to deliver their wares. My job was demanding, and my channel. So I checked, I did a quick check. I was like, okay, one has to go. So I do not break down, and it was the channel that I let go. It helped me because I was able to do what I needed to do at my job, and also make everything that went through my table or went through my sewing machine. I was able to deliver to my clients as well. However, I was not able to be on the space. While all of that was going on, I kept postponing coming back on the space. For some reason, I sold my flour that I used to use. I used making this as an excuse to not come back. I would postpone so much. I wanted to get a binding wire. It took me weeks to do that because for some reason I was just pushing it. I was scared. Being a YouTuber takes a lot of dedication, a lot of hard work that I was not willing to commit at the time. However, being back now, I am going to try my best to show up for us. When all of that was going on, when the whole overwhelming was going on, I was like, okay, I am going to settle my clients and be back on the space January 1, the 1st of January, but that didn't happen. February, March, it didn't happen. This is May. How did we get here? How did I take so much time away from this space? I just kept pushing it. I didn't want to just come on here and put out any kind of video that, wouldn't be what I want. So I just took my time, however too long, to get here. But you know that I uploaded a video months ago that I didn't make public for some reason. I uploaded it and I didn't make it public. It has been sitting there up until today. Why? Because of the singular reason that I thought the lighting was too harsh on my face. That was all. I would like to make a quick shout out to my pen pal. I consider her a pen pal, sort of like a friend right now. Caitlin, I'm so sorry for blacking out on you too. I haven't written you in months, and I'm terribly sorry. I am going to go do that right now after this video. Don't worry, I'm back because she kept asking, hey, what's up? When are you popping back on the channel? And also to my sister Chidima, to my friend Jennifer, they were always checking in on me like, babe, what's up now? You have not posted. What is going on? What is up? I see y'all. I appreciate you guys so much. I want to let you know that I'm back. Thank you so much for riding with me. If you are yet to subscribe, please do so, like and comment. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day now. Bye.